Would you like to have access to an all-in-one platform that provides you with limitless cloud hosting, file storage, webinars, autoresponder, funnel building, and graphic design for all your sites at a low one-time price? Imagine if in minutes from now you could enjoy unlimited hosting of sites and domains at the tiniest one-time cost, complete data protection with free end-to-end SSL encryption, one-click creation of hosting and webinars and live video conferences, instant generation of high-converting sales funnels and pages, access to an inbuilt automated designer for stunning graphics, unlimited bandwidth at no extra or monthly cost, and 100% uptime. All this and more for a one-time low fee. Welcome to CloudHub. You pay only once and enjoy all the benefits of this state-of-the-art platform forever. Say goodbye to limited subscription platforms, storing data on unreliable hard disks that just crash, paying every month through the nose for expensive tools like Dropbox, Photoshop, ClickFunnels, Zoom, Auber, and HostGator. CloudHub is the ultimate cloud storage solution that'll help you skyrocket profits at the lowest one-time cost. In just 3 steps, you'll start saving and making huge amounts of profits. Step 1. Get access to the easiest all-in-one digital solution. Step 2. Pick the service you need: cloud hosting, file storage, webinar hosting, auto-responding, funnel building, or graphic designing. Step 3. Witness the magic of hot-selling digital services and skyrocketing sales and profits. Here's what all you can use CloudHub for: cloud storage to create a digital home for your brand and add credibility, file storage for all your precious data, funnel creation to successfully sell your product or service, webinar hosting to connect with your audience and make instant sales, autoresponder to reach out to your list as it grows each day without a moment's delay, graphic designing to create graphics for your ads, posts to attract more traffic, and a lot more. CloudHub is perfect for you if you own a business, service, or are a marketer. You want to survive in this new age digital world. You'd like to keep your files and videos secure. You'd like to leverage the awesome power of live video chats, meetings, conferences, live classes, online training, webinars, and podcasts. You don't want to chase away your audience with your mic not syncing properly or sharing a recording that has a terrible audio output. You're looking to retain your profits and avoid paying a hefty monthly fee. You want to be safe and not pay huge ransoms to hackers in return for your files and videos. You'd like to earn more by saving more. It's a true win-win, but only available until the timer on the page hits 0, so hurry. Take action now. Click the buy button below and claim your exclusive one-time fee access to what's fast becoming the most preferred all-in-one business platform for business owners and marketers around the world. Welcome to CloudHub.